Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I'll be reading you a poem called Destined to Rise from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Destined to Rise. We cannot perform perfectly every moment of every day. Don't beat yourself up for where you are today, as you are molding yourself anew every day. You are a product of your creation, the good, the bad, and the uniqueness that makes up the whole of who you are. There's not one person on this planet that doesn't fall. What makes us great is we get up and create a masterpiece on a white canvas destined to rise. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I think I went through this for sure. I had a really bad transport truck accident in 2018. And when I came out of that, I was so down and low, I could have let life just destroy me. But I didn't. I found a way to get through it. And now I haven't been this happy in my entire life. I believe that accident changed the course of my life. It helped me realize what I am today. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.